hands were... that I didn't realize my hands looked like this. I just freaked out. I was like a high person, like, oh my god, look at my hands. None of it makes sense. I think the iron is still not fully warmed up. We'll give it a few more minutes. What keyboard is this? This is a Jane CE. We are removing these Gateron clears from it, and then we're going to mod the ever-loving shit out of them. Simon, can you play Cotton Eye Joe? Only if Gilbert has to leave. Alright, we still have a couple minutes for the iron to warm up, so we can just hang out. We're leaving soon. Can we play Cotton Eye Joe? Please buy a new iron for the love of God. This is a new iron. Bro, this is a new iron. This is new. This is like... This is all I need. This is all a growing boy needs. Have you not seen my solder guide? Like, the only advantage to a new iron is it'll warm up in like 12 seconds, which, cool. But like, I don't need it to warm up in 12 seconds. What does the extended piece at the end of the pump do? What extended piece? Oh, you mean this? It just keeps this from like bending, I guess. So it keeps the cylinder straight, the internal cylinder. Do I think the TS80P is worth it? If you do a lot of soldering and you're okay buying expensive tips and you need it to warm up in like 12 seconds, yeah. I mean, like, it's fine. You just turn it on, you go drink some tea, like this. Some lovely tea. Oh, macro tea. Oh, so macro. Wow. And yes, H, your Jane was beyond confusing. He brought his Jane over to my house, and I looked, like, the moment I looked at it, I'm like, something is wrong. What is wrong? Show me on the doll. Oh yeah, tea's the best, dude. I mean, at night, tea's the best. During the day, coffee's the best. Well, actually, okay, hard liquor is the best at night, but you know what I mean. I don't want to get too fucked up on stream. Also, I'm kind of hungover from last night. Give me a second, I'm just cleaning out the thing. I thought you were about to say hard liquor is the best during the day. I mean, no, I actually like need to think to do my job, unfortunately. Oh my god, no, I just stabbed Greg. No, no! Paul, look what I've done. Right there. I literally missed this. How do you miss this? It's giant. Well, it's part of the design now, guys. Bro, I always miss the hole. Right. Just trying to rack focus. You're lucky I have 2 extras. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna burn through those as well. God damn it. It's okay, look, we covered it up. Now we can't see it. Problem solved. How big should it be to not miss it? Bro, it was my left hand, okay? Like, my left hand is beyond useless. You missed a hole just like high school? Yep. It's literally high school all over again. That's the hard liquor reacting spiritually, trying to say that they're the best even during daytime. Yes. If you can't see it, it's not there. Yes, it's called the dodo approach. What sucker are you recommend? You can do blacksimon.tv/soldapult, or you can do blacksimon.tv/ss02. I think both of them will take you to like decent ones. I just recommend ss02 because I don't know the other one. Unfortunately, I don't have the commands in chat because I'm really bad at streaming. If you're in another country, just literally copy paste the name and you can buy it. Yep, Sam did nail it. My solder sucker feels different. It's kind of sus. It's a little bit sus. I'm not sure what's going on. I think it's overdue for a cleaning. But I literally can't open it up. I tried to open it up on my solder video and it just wouldn't open. Let me just poke a sharp stick in it. That'll fix it. I think there's just a big old piece of solder stuck in the tip. Yep, there sure is. Got it. There we go. Yeah, there we go. Now all the goodies are falling out. There we go. Now the sucker should be good. Gotta clean your tip. Good life advice. It is excellent life advice. One of the best. Set up now. Let me see. Damn, that's hot. Yeah, see, I don't solder and desolder enough. For that to like be worthwhile in my like for me. I mean, like I do like 1 to 2 builds a week max, so. See, you assume I own pliers, but I own like nothing. It's kind of depressing. Like I didn't even own a decent screwdriver set until like not too long ago. I had like this random screwdriver set I borrowed from the office, borrowed in quotes, 5 years ago. Will I be selling the item? Yes, I will be selling it to somebody locally for a very cheap price. God gave you 2 pliers at the end of your arms for free? Yeah, mine don't work very good. Exclamation hands. How many solder, desolder life cycle can the PCB stand? A lot. A lot. Like a good PCB will do like 20 plus easily. Probably even more if you know what you're doing. Korean PCBs, for example, that are notable for just being really problematic. Some people only get like 1 or 2 builds out of them. I've gotten like 6 or 7 out of my Duck Viper. And it's totally fine still. You just need to take it easy, take it slow. Don't overheat the pads. When I desolder, the switches don't come off easily. It's like I have to jimmy the switch legs to get it out. Is it possible that my pump isn't desoldering all of the lead? Yes. Well, all of the solder. What is my opinion on banana split switches? I don't know what those are. I assume they are a JWK recolor. In which case, not great. They literally split the keycaps.